DEXTROSCOLIOSIS, about 30 degree. So, nag-decide ako na mag-chiropractic. So, I tried this Dr. King's clinic. So, I have been trying this for 3 weeks now. So, nakakatulong siya sa akin. Before kasi parang ang bigat ng pakaramdam ko, lalo sa body and sa back. Ngayon, naka-light na yung feeling ko. Every time I work, parang wala na talaga yung stress sa katawan ko. So, i-continue ko siya. So, para magtuloy-tuloy na yung pagginawa ng pakiramdam ko and mawala na rin yung back pain. So, okay siya sa akin.
Alright, so I got my first adjustment yesterday and I slept a lot better tonight. I definitely felt a little bit more loose, not as tight. And I'm looking forward to continuing my adjustments so that I can improve my posture and my lower back pain.
So we've been coming here for a few months now, and ever since we started in our chiropractor, I've been sleeping way better than before, and my back's been like really straight now, so it's been pretty good.